dahil sa mga kalokohan ni Charlie Zelenov sa social media kung saan patraidor niyang sinusuntok ang kanyang mga kinahamon sa sparring. Dumating sa punto kung saan pinanindigan na niya ang pagiging undefeated number 1 pound for pound internet boxing champion. At dumating rin sa punto na sinubukan na niyang maghamon at labanan ang mga sikat na personalidad sa mundo ng boxing. Gaya na lang ng ama ni Floyd Mayweather Jr. na si Floyd Sr. na humantong sa gulo dahil sa ginawa ni Zelenov na pagsuntok habang nakatalikod si Floyd Sr. At dahil sa nag-viral na at nagsimula na mag-trending si Charlie Zelenov at ang kanyang mga pinaggagawa sa buhay, halos manganib na ang buhay nito dahil doon mismo sa bahay ng kanyang mga magulang na kung saan ay doon pa rin siya nakatira ay inaabangan siya ng mga taong gustong bumugbog sa kanya. Isa na dito na talagang walang sawang nag-aabang kay Zelenov ay ang kilalang YouTuber na mahilig mambugbog ng mga siga na si Crazy Tempo.
Alright. Reach, 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 reach. Yan, yan. Yan. Reach. Okay. I'm gonna get you. I got 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 you. Okay, I'm gonna kill. I'm gonna kill. I'm gonna kill. Calm down. I'm gonna kill. 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 Come on. You been talking shit. You gonna run? I beat him. He's gonna run.
What? Who did you beat?
Yo, Charlie's running right now, Jim. You been talking all shit. Charlie's running right now.
I think you're over there. You're a joke.
Charlie's right here, gang. Charlie don't want to fight me, gang.
Fuck you up. Come on.
He want me to go in his house to fight him.
Come on, let's go.
Charlie, we good right here, man.
Idiot. Right there.
That's the first time I met you, man. Why you didn't want to fight?
Hey.
Where's the Marie? Where's the Marie? I fuck them too. I fuck you too. Then I want that to wait there. Why don't you come? Why I gotta go in your house to fight you?
Right now.
Were you looking for Charlie? Dude? What's up?
Charlie's a pussy.
I'm gonna kill you, Steve.
Charlie's a pussy.
I'm gonna kill you. What's up? Charles, ready? What's up? Come on. Come outside. Come outside.
Charlie's a
Come outside.
pussy.
Fuck that
Exposed. Come outside. I need wearing gloves, bro. You're bare knuckles. He's wearing gloves. It's alright. Let me get that, bro. Pussy. Let me get him.
Hey, this guy's crazy.
Yeah, crazy. We knew that.
Kahit ang mga magulang ni Charlie Zelenov ay napeperwisyo na rin sa mga problemang pinasok ng kanilang anak.
If you're gonna call the police,
I'm not gonna call. Return
No,
my
you said
phone.
call the police first.
No, I'm not cooking.
No,
Give me my phone.
Hold on. I'm gonna give it to you. I'm not gonna fight you.
Okay?
Charlie, I have no beef with you. I respect you. I did not know the phone was for you.
Okay. It's my phone.
So where's Charlie?
He's not home.
Psych, I'm not gonna give it to you. I gotta go home now. Do you watch the
You
video?
are.
Fuck you up.
You are.
Charles' video?
You stole the phone. The neighbor saw. Everybody
Oh, it's
saw.
manhood.
Yeah, it's on YouTube too. Charlie,
Get out.
Charlie,
I beat the shit out of you.
don't fight people. You will never see me again.
Pero kahit na sumisikip na ang mundo ni Charlie Zelenov, hindi pa rin ito nagbabago. Nakursunodahan ni Zelenov ang former heavyweight world champion na si Deontay Wilder na noong panahon na yan, nagsisimula pa lang sa kanyang professional career. Kinulit ni Charlie Zelenov si Deontay Wilder sa pamamagitan ng pagtawag sa phone at pag-send ng mga voice message para hamuon nito sa isang sparring match.
Yes, I believe I've reached paid professional actor headquarters. Deontay Wilder, paid professional actor. Hey, listen, clown. Talking shit, huh? Do you remember how you ducked me in 2012 and I beat Derek the Giant? Derek the Giant would knock you the fuck out, you son of a bitch. Let me ask you something. If you're such a good fighter, why did you stage that fake match with Malik Scott, you piece of shit? If I hit you with my power, you spit your gum shield out and you spit every single tooth out, motherfucker. You're a fucking bum. Let's meet up right now. Come to LA, I'm the champion. You're a fucking bum. You're a joke.
Hindi nagtagal pinatulan na ni Deontay Wilder ang hamon ni Charlie Zelenov sa isang sparring match.
Ano ginagawa mo?
Teka, ito, naglalaro.
Ano ba yan?
Kanya pa ako nanalo
Mukhang maganda yan. Paano ba yan?
Ito, ano ba sa pinto mo lang yung gitna pa sa ayun, nanalo na naman ako. Oy, double. Yun. Take tumaas na yung pera ko. Ang binibet ko lang dito 200 lang ngayon, bilang tumubo na yung pera ko.
Gusto ng pera dyan ah.
Oo, may times na mananalo ka, may times na natalo ka, pero ang taas ng winning rate.
Ayos.
Ito yung website, yung 777 PNL. Ganda na-recommend lang sa akin ng kaibigan ko. Ayun na naman.
Malaro ko nga yan mamaya.
Bali ito yung mga idol, ang 777 PNL. Bali nirecommend to ng kaibigan ko. Sabi daw mataas daw ang win rate. Ayun, nag-deposit ako ng 10,000 pesos. Ngayon ang pera ko nasa 16,409 pesos na. Ayun, mas marami yung win rate niya. Tapos konti lang yung talo. Ang ginawa ko rito, bali ang nilalaro ko rito yung Super Ace. Ayan, bali ang ginawa ko, in-autoplay ko lang, tapos bilang yung bet 100. Bali bawat roll 100 ng 100 diyan. Bale, ang magkagandahan dito, 'di ba? Pag kunyari ba walang tumama, 100 yung mababawas sa bet mo, tapos biglang ang karamihan doon double, triple Kaya ang bilis tumubo ng pera. Bigyan ko kayo ng sample. Ayan. Kaya na pa ako nanalo Ito wala. Ayan, pinutin ko. Pag mga ganito, syempre nakakatamad pumindot, 'di ba? I-autoplay niyo lang 'to. Ayan, ito yung autoplay. Ay bali yan, nakikita niyo bawat roll niyan, mababawasan ka ng 100 pag hindi tumatama. Pero pag tumama ka naman, 180, tapos bilang times 1, minsan times 2, times 3. Kaya nakachamba ko times 5. Kaya yung pera ko, lumaki. Yung 10,000 ko, ganyan, umabot na ng ganito kalaki yan. May yung bababa ng contest, mamaya mababawi na naman. Mas mataas yung winning rate. Hindi kumpara sa ibang mga na casino apps na ganito. Ang dehado ka sa winning rate matalo ka na matalo. Hinahayaan ko lang to, naka-autoplay na to yung 5 times po. Panalo ko ng magkano to. Ay putik. Nanalo ko ng 2,000. Ayun, 17 na. Hayaan nyo lang mga idol. Hayaan nyo lang bilang tubo lang ng tubo.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get up. You ain't gonna mess with nobody else. Get up. Somebody make you mad now. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Don't stop, man. All that like, huh? Give me that. Let go.
Yo, not right now.
It is gonna be right now. This is the only way I'm being. Just gonna stop. Huh? Don't you ever, don't you ever call me a don't you ever say you gonna take my daughter around. Don't you ever say you gonna let my plans up here. Let my plans up. Don't you ever say nothing like that. Don't you ever. You think I don't put up with racism? I don't put up with racism. And I don't put up with time. And I'm done with it.
No, you need to get out with him, man.
I'm done.
You're not supposed to. He told you not to come back on rematch next time. Not today.
Let's get in the ring then.
No.
It's over with.
I know you're not.
It's done, man. That's for everybody.
I hit you in the body.
That's for everybody. Stop, man. Everybody, you gonna
I beat many people, bro.
the only person that gonna get you.
I beat many people.
I'm a nice guy.
I beat many people.
I could have got you in that alley, dude. But I'm a nice dude. I ain't like that. I could have got you in that alley with all that.
Nice job outside.
To see what you said, I don't put up with it. You gonna get killed, boy?
Yo, I know you. Don't give me the You want to let me beat your ass? You're not supposed to come in here and not be in the gym.
Let's get a rematch now then. I ain't coming back with it, man. Cause the next time I come back,
I hit you in the body.
Charlie,
Hey,
it ain't gonna be good for you.
you got weapons, man. I'm the best. I'm still the best. Man was a senior. Knocked out.
I'm good, man. You can't hold me.
No,